Cleaning time, guys. Let's go. Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. It's December 31st and we'll do general cleaning. Start from my room, guys. So join me. And to those who wants to help, you're welcome, guys. Every year, guys, I do this. I do general cleaning because, you know, we need to dispose all the dirt before the New Year, you know. So when it's New Year's Day, everything is clean and to avoid the virus as well. So on our 2021 is no more virus. I hope so, guys. Hoping, cross fingers for that, to have a very peaceful New Year 2021 for all of us, guys. So to those who are new here, I would love to welcome you all, guys, and please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you are always updated every time I posted a new video, guys. So today, let's do it. Cleaning time, guys. Let's hope and cross our fingers that there is no more virus after this strain virus that they're saying. But guys, let's just be safe, especially to you guys out there. Let's just hope that 2021 is the best for all of us, guys. Okay, so pray harder, and you know, whatever it is that we've been through in the 2020 is all gone, you know, and then let's hope for the 2021 to be the best year for all of us. Alright, guys?
Watching the ocean with you, baby, up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our clouds when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word. You got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. Take it in real life like haiku. I know we got the good vibes when pieces fall right into place. Even if I lost them a bass guitar. Simmer down and mash me up. Tripping like I'm Jimmy at Woodstock. And I drive me around in your red Ford. Shivers down my spinal cord. Oh, 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 oh. 'Cause you got me haunting, haunting. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word. 'Cause you got me haunting, haunting. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it.
Doing general cleaning. My God, look at me. I'm sweating so much. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you. I'll see you again soon. Bye.